large. Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves his groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, it's a blast. Trade with Tony and making fortune fast.
Morning traders. Happy Friday to one and all. Hope you've all had a good week, and looking forward to the weekend. As for trading today, not really a lot to go on, really. No gappers at all. Oh, we're sitting wet. Today it's all about patience, I think. The markets are down quite considerably. So yeah, that's one thing to aware of. It is down quite a bit as well. We'll see. Got 90 minutes before the bell actually rings, so let's see what the market gives us. Here comes the 8 o'clock scrum, the algorithmic spikes, and let's be patient. Okay, let's do a roll call. Alberto, how you doing? Stone Cold, the dude, very welcome. Mike Moorhead. Oh, you're a degenerate. That's Stone Cold. Not going after these penny stocks. Hey Lisa, how you doing? Morning Hector. Not seeing anything worth putting on the screen, so you tell me. What is it you want to see on the screen, guys? I'm not seeing anything at this moment in time. Hey Matt, how you doing, buddy? It is still having its algo spikes at the moment. Still need science. Probably the only thing that's anything. Not seeing anything. I mean, all the action is like sub $2. So LRHC. I'm not touching any of these sub $2. Every time I do, I get burned. So I'm gonna stay away. But it's the top momentum stock right now, over $1. There's a lot of little penny stocks. RHC, I don't like that either. That's the very definition of choppy sideways. Morning Vegas. How's the P&L? Well, you saw yesterday, Jack. So $900 yesterday. Do that 5 times. I'll be rosy. Good start. Nice start. Dropping dropping some. Penny stock just dropping some news right now. That's solar. So they reveal corporate update regarding net payoff for outstanding balances on the securities purchase contract with an investor previously disclosed. Here we go. Go figure. Not actually anything worth taking a look at, but if there is a stock that you wanted me to look at, doesn't matter about the price, you tell me, and I'll link it up onto the charts and take a look. Have a look. Tempest popped and dropped yesterday. We're getting the same today. Nothing at all. I'll go spikes, I guess. Nvidia ETFs. Yeah, nothing to take a look at as yet. Let's have a look at very low volume, but not exactly awash with options. Solid bio can pop up and down. Started watching the Acolyte on Disney today. The Star Wars spin-off. Not impressed. Don't know if any of you guys are Star Wars fans. No worries, David. Gotta keep the eyesight in check, or you'll be wearing these. Get mine refreshed. Yeah, eye strain. I'm well beyond a appointment. Of course, it always falls in, but you think, okay, I'll go to the optometrist and get my prescription updated, and you always forget. I'm not seeing anything above $2. I'm looking for $3 really, but I'm just struggling to find anything at all. Apple moving back up, is it? Have a look at Apple. Oh, it's green on the day at least. Oh, the 9 and 20. Yes, we're sit and wait, guys. Yeah, it's Options Friday, affectionately known as Triple Witching or Quad Witching Day today. So I thought we might get a bit of volatility, but nothing. Or Quadruple Witching. Pullback, I'm not sure you can call it a pullback, really. I mean, let's have a quick look at look at it on the daily. And it's a little bit of a pullback yesterday in the end, but I would hardly say it's much of a pullback. It's still on the daily, it's still above the 9. Go back to the 9 and then the bounce is kind of healthy. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't get too excited or too depressed about this retracement. Healthy enough. Lost a day's progress. Heard pretty much about it. $30, $28.20 at the moment, I guess. Looking at on the hourly time frame. Nvidia on the hourly time frame will be when it's evolving. Where it closed yesterday. Here, down here. Lost progress from the day before because that's pretty much where it was the day before. Closed yesterday at kind of 1:30 and down at 1:30 on Tuesday or whatever. It went Monday. So we've not lost much. Do I expect it to go back up? Do I expect it to get to 150? I still do expect it to go up to 150. Do I expect it to happen today? No, not really, but I still expect it to break highs. Look at the actual market itself. Similar situation. The hourly time frame, pretty much the same chart. I mean, the lows on the closing price on Monday and the lows in the pre-market of Tuesday are a little bit different, but pretty much the same chart. If you look at that. So, yeah, following the market. Super chip. This is Trader Evolution. Actually thinking of putting some. I'm way overweighted to put towards Nvidia. So I'm thinking of selling some and buying into something else. I still use gas, but this is the platform that's provided by the prop firm. I'm doing a funded account challenge. So if you're new to that, so the prop firm. Trade the Pool is the prop firm. The link, you can find the link in the link tree as normal. And what they do is pay a fee to take an evaluation, and if you pass the evaluation, they fund you a live active account on the stock market to trade equities and take profits. Better than risking your own money. Yeah, 370 again with no volume. I wouldn't say that's blocking. No, there's nobody traded that. That's just. Where are you getting your 370? Where are you getting your 373, David? Previous closing price was 62.73 and it's currently 62.80, so it's like that's 7 cents. Drop in the ocean there, Ricky, isn't it? Power going up. I'm not seeing anything. Have a look at M-I-N-M. In him, does it have a catalyst? Not seeing any catalyst. Not seeing any news. It's motoring. Really, it's motoring. Look at that. Over $1 on that candle. 3x on the relative volume. 1.4 million microflow. 1.4 million microflow. Tiny. Not seeing any news though. Wow. Spreads on there. And more spreads. 20-cent spreads. Hey, Tumbler. Not seeing any news though. Not seeing any catalyst. We're a bit wary of it. Moving really quick, considering it's got no catalyst, no news. Spreads are huge. $0.27 on the 1 minute ATR. 35 cents on the spreads. IDAS. That's the first low price stock we've had that's popped up. Bit of action in him. No catalyst. Hey Cal, how's Joe? Dad? Me too, Ricky. Hey Neil. Yeah, I was a bit wary of it, with no, when it moves so quick like that, and there's no catalyst, you've always got to be wary of it. Wait for the pullback, and then look for a candle to make a new high. I've been saying that all year, Mike, and I've had a bad trade. Offset by Nvidia gains. $150 is okay for you, man. You know, not every trade's going to go your way. You're going to lose some along the way. Make sure that ones you lose are smaller than the ones that you win. That's the way you got to be, mate. You got to be very nonchalant about it. It doesn't look like it's if it's going against you, get rid of it. Hey, Adam. Funky, like that. got one for watch. And RPC. Two on watch at the minute. No, that's solid. Put them two on watch. Solid Bio and Sarepta Therapeutics. Venom. Venom gets back over 4, it might be a little less volatile. Look, you're always going to get the perma base. I mean, people have been calling the top of this market since December. Go figure. And we're going to get a crash. I'm always hearing it. We're going to get a crash. We're going to get a crash. We're going to get a crash. The stock market's about to crash. It's too extended. It's about to crash. Okay. And I'm not saying I'm a perma bull. I always have, but in the long term, I am. But the markets only ever go in one direction. They're designed specifically to go in one direction. Triple witching. So what triple witching essentially is it happens quarterly. So once every 3 months, 4 times a year, it happens, and it's the simultaneous expiry of options contracts and futures options contracts. So we're looking at stock options, index futures, and index futures options. When they all expire at the same time. So they anticipate is it would get options coverage or options, what's the word, being exercised, which can impact on the market. So gets certain market makers or hedge, whoever's selling the contracts may hedge the position just in case those positions do get exercised. But it's essentially it's 3 different types of options and futures contracts that expire at the same time. Happens 4 times a year, once a quarter. The third Friday on the third month of the third Friday on the third month of the third Friday on the third month of each quarter. So we're looking at March, June, September, and December. It can do, Rick. From personal experience, I personally don't see it makes a huge lot of difference. It may do in the options market, but on the generic equities market, I don't see a huge lot of difference personally. That's just me. Certainly not at this level. The higher cap stocks, you sometimes see a little bit more volatility there, but not at the lower cap end. Not at the penny stocks, certainly not, because a lot of the penny stocks you can't even trade options with a lot of the penny stocks, the low price stocks. They don't even have options available. Some of them. It's up quite a bit. I'm watching it. Like it's starting to break down. But I wouldn't trust it unless it breaks below that horizontal. Is about 164, 163.75 actually on the nail. 160.70 is where it went down to, but I like to use the quarter, half, and whole dollar numbers. But 163.75, I would say. Drops another $2, then maybe. Just my opinion. I don't know what I'm doing. So minimum popped up, nice and volatile for a moment. Too volatile, but selling off. So as that hit kind of 450, that would have been a good time to short. Bit funky. Oh well, there, Ian. Good stuff. Happy day. Nice move. 30% up. Raptor. Raptor Therapeutics. RPT. So previous closing price yesterday 123 something. Yeah. 117.50. Right the first time, 123.50. Know what I'm talking about half the time? The fat guy on the internet waffling to myself. So top 3 gappers are the ones that you can see on the screen. SRPT, Sarepta Therapeutics, Minim, and Solid Bioscience. Those are the 3 top gappers today. Not really volatile, not got a lot of volume with them. Minim had quite a bit of volume, but pop and drop. Still not seen any news for it. Well, let's have a quick look. Has anyone new dropped since? No. Higher relative volume, I guess. Communications equipment. Deliver smart software-driven communications products under the Motorola brand. For modems, routers, etc. Adapters. Anybody got anything they want me to take a look at? Doesn't seem to be much happening today. Triple witching day. Not really introducing much in terms of volatility. Pre-market, but that's to be expected. You can't trade options. You can't trade them until the market opens anyway. So that's when you start seeing the volatility of triple witching, and you tend to find that as it comes to the close, you'll get quite a bit of activity as well. Options get exercised before they expire. As far as I'm aware, yeah, Ricky. Oh, the contest finished. That finished at the end of last week, I think it was, for the weekend. Well, it's only a week long. I wasn't in the frame of mind to. I got into the top 10 and then YOLO a couple of times. I just wasn't in the. I wasn't feeling well, basically. I've been. Yeah, so I was in the top 10 for a little while, and then I think I was Wednesday or something. Wednesday, and then I got surpassed. Wasn't in a good frame of. I wasn't in a good place to trade. Let's say that. Not much out there today, Adam. Absolutely right. A little bit of a non-event. Not great volume, but making a move. Envino Medical Corp. So let's have a look at the news drop here. Positive interim venous ulcer healing data showing significant improvement from the Envino Medical Venovalve clinical trial to be presented today at the Society for Vascular Surgery 2024 Vascular Annual Meeting. By saying all of that without taking a breath. Well, good luck with that, Adam. Well, 13 million flow. That's short. Normally there's about 50,000 shares. So I want to see I see it getting a regular 20,000 shares on the minute. $0.20 spread, 25-cent spread, 13 cents on. It's not worth it. 13.5 cents on the 1 minute ATR doesn't cover the 25-cent spread. Not coin. No, this is not. It's not crypto. No. Not enough volume that I'm seeing. Equities there, Les. Nice. Crypto. Have a quick look at that one. Moved quite a bit yesterday, didn't it? Brilliant. New days. Net new. Not any net new news. Have a look. Did up quite a bit yesterday, actually. So positive data for weight loss program. That was yesterday. Are we just going to get some continuation here, or what? No volume on it though. Picked up big yesterday, but no volume on it at the moment. Yeah. Through those. I'll take a look at that for you, Ricky. 73 cents. Not like we've got a lot else to watch. Yeah. No. Not sure the volume is coming back in, Adam. And what are we halfway through? It's like 12,000 shares on this candle so far. Yeah, no. And then if we get over the VWAP there, which is the $0.75 level, then we'll take another look at that. Ethereum also at the $0.75 level. Nothing holding. Nothing holding. We've got a little over an hour, half an hour, 40 minutes. Until the bell rings. Yeah, so I was starting watching that new Star Wars spin-off on Disney Plus. The Acolyte. I'm, a, I'm like 4 episodes in, and I'm like, it's not bad. If you're a Star Wars fan, you probably like it, but there's some nice little tidbits in there, sort of Easter eggs, but it's not on par with the likes of the Kenobi series, I would say. But then again, I'm not going to give spoilers, no. I'd say it's not on par with Kenobi, and it's certainly not as good as Mandalorian. But this is the way. Well, too many Mary Sues. Kathleen Kennedy has. It's clear Kathleen Kennedy has no affection or affiliation with the original series. She hasn't a clue what she's doing. It's all this woke BS. Yeah, Mandalorian's good. I was trying to fill back up on Antino. Not great volume. I was disappointed in the Book of Boba Fett, to be fair. So I read like Tales of Jabba's Palace and things like that, and so much more they could have done with Boba Fett. And the actor's getting old a bit. Yeah. How far is it going to continue? I'm keen on these 10-cent spreads. I tried to put a quantity order in that. That's not worked. Not without me. Right. Now I've got filled. On the way back. Not really what I wanted, but hey. Get back over $6. Back up to $6. I got 10 cents. Okay. Okay. Lost my level 2 for a second then. I'm like, what's going on? All the way back. And some. Oof. That just getting higher imported into data. That was a nasty pullback. I'm red on the day. Very good. Market's not trustworthy at the moment, guys. Can't trust anything at the moment. No, I'm not seeing anything. Let's just have a quick look to see if there is a shelf at least. Darling. No. No. That's 3 from November last year. Self-registration from November last year on this one. Don't know if they've started to go ahead with it. You say that it takes the stairs up and comes down out the window. Back over $5 before I touch it now. Actually, I'd probably look for a $1/4, $5.25 break with VWAP maybe. Yeah, exactly. Well, occasionally we do that, Mike, but it's just not been happening lately. Yeah, I'm not as pessimistic as you, Ricky. I'm watching Nvidia, and Nvidia at like 127, 130. That's fine at the moment. That's a healthy pullback. Over 140, obviously, which was like up at the highs. But down at 125 to 130, I don't think that's. If you look at the daily chart, perfectly healthy. Yeah, but you look how much it's moved. You look how extended it's been, Mike. How much it's moved over the last while. Yeah, buy it at a discount. It's okay, super. It's super chip. It's okay. There's some things that I actually like on it, but it's probably not as configurable or as intuitive as Dash Trader. But there are a couple of things that I do like on it. I mean the ability to put top limit orders in there, so you can actually have stops pre-market helps. As I said earlier, Superchip, you obviously weren't listening. This is the platform that's provided by the prop firm that I'm doing the challenge with. The prop firm, Trade the Pool Prop, is the prop firm, and it's a funded trader challenge. So it cost me $300 to take an $80,000 buying power challenge. And if I pass it, I've got 45 days to make 4,200 in profit. And if I do, they give me $80,000, a live, active $80,000 account to trade on the stock market. Funded by them and not me. Yeah, Carver's been doing really well of late. I think this is done by right now. I'll keep it on watch, but it looks like it's done. Pulling right back. Let's see if we've got any shorting opportunities on Nvidia. Early time frame. Interesting. Probably gonna bounce here. It's getting some, went down to yesterday. I had a low of 129.53. So yeah, we'll see. I'm thinking the same, Jack. Yeah, there's rules. There is rules to it, Super Chip. Yeah. It is today, Super Chip. Triple Witching Day. Want to go out? Fine. Okay. Knocking on the door in 5 minutes. Yeah, not a lot to choose from, guys. $50, well, 45. Oh, we didn't really make much. I don't think we took any. Oh yeah, we took 2 losing trades yesterday at the market. After the bell, when we actually got the volatility we needed. So it looks like today's going to be another one of those days. We've got 20 minutes left before the market opens. So sometimes it's better just to wait till after the bell rings. Give it a couple of minutes and see what the market throws out for you. Right now, it's not a lot. Morning, Oscar. Well, strange what is Nvidia, because dropping 10%, how much is it cost? You know, it's a couple of $100 billion or whatever. Morning, Thomas. Not so much how much it makes, how much the market believes it's worth. I don't like trying to compete. This is one of the reasons I don't like to trade the big stocks, you know, the high caps, because it's institutional money. It's algorithms. You compete. 80% of the traffic that you get on these on these stocks is algos. Trying to compete against AI, and you're going to lose. They do trend. If you try and anticipate it, you just got to ride the trend, ride the momentum when it is trending. Otherwise, if you try and counter trend these high cap stocks, it's very difficult. Particularly out in the regular session when all the algos are trading, all the institutional bots are trading. Spreads on this 5 cents. Bad. W shape there, I guess, a bit wonky, but it's over. Can't be worth it. Right. Don't have the buying power yet. No, I've no idea why Minim's moving there, Ricky. Not seeing any catalyst on Minim. I know why Sarepta's moving. I know why Solid Bio's moving. Catalent's moving up. Have a look at Catalent. Yeah, so that was Catalent. Still work to manage the account. No news on Catalan. Good relative, very good relative volume, extremely high relative volume. I just don't know why. Forward of VWAP, come back, test for the support. Yeah, well, because if it's got a good move, Peter, if it's got a good news, it tends to be more reliable if it's on a news break. Less likely to get faked out on a got good news. First double horns there, the peg legs. All relative, Super Chip. All relative. No, absolutely, Peter. That's a very good point. Well, for those of you watching on TikTok, Peter's just reminding us that the market rebalancing the market. So Apple and Nvidia will no longer be as heavily weighted on the S&P 500. won't stop the get over $4 here. Bought a little bit lower. $4. They'll have a lower weighting. It was $4. $4 now. Alright, let's see. Premarket high. So it's got a long way to go to get back up to the highs we saw earlier. Well, it wouldn't surprise me if Nvidia finishes up back over 130, 135 today, but for a break of $4, a break and hold of $4 actually. Gonna go. We're risking $100 here, well 90 bucks. So, finding it difficult to get up there. There's to the stop loss there too. 38. Risking $90 on it. Well, good stuff, dude. Any green's good green. Yeah, well, as soon as it went red on the day, well, well, 408 is the top, but I mean, earlier today it went up to we actually watched it, 470. Madness as it went up. But a bit more tranquil now. Probably should have bought $4 there. Fills aren't as good as Dash Trader. At least with Dash Trader, the fills are pretty much instant, you know? Yeah, direct direct market platform. Looking for a $0.25. Got 5 minutes before the market opens. Less than 4 minutes. $20. Get a high of 22. Looking for 25. 435 would be nice. Three minutes left before the market opens, and we get over $0.25. Current swing high is 422. Look for 430. Nice. Get over that $0.25 first. Up there, 95. 20 cents on this. It's got good room up to kind of 450, 440, 450. Get over that $0.25. Wanted to do it in the next minute before it opens because I really want to be in this. I want to be in this at the open. I think it might pull back and stop me out. We've got a minute left, guys. For 25 seconds. Good luck, guys. I'll stop in place already, so okay with this. There we go. That's all right. 15 cents, whatever it was. Now we can look for a little bit bigger. Stop. What are you doing? 540s. Once again, we're looking for a break of the $0.25. If you get 10 cents, take a decent living. About sizing. 10 cents on a day. reds. That was horrible. What's going on? Oh, possible conversion. $50. That one, 460. I'm nearly at the goal. Nearly at goal. Well, why not, Dan? I've been suffering a little bit this year, just mentally with it all, different things and what have you. So I thought, you know, I'll see if I can get funded and trade someone else's money. Less pressure, less stress. It's forcing the discipline. It means that I definitely can't have the big red days that have been really affecting me mentally. So yeah. Went on with GameStop. Disconnected. Oh. MGL Global, 70 cents. Anything else moving? Your sheet. What volume on it? Why is this so loud? No, I don't think they've got strict risk, Dan. It's well, I did $900 yesterday. I've done 460 today. The goal is on this account. The goal is 4,200. So in 45 days. So it is achievable. The criteria, you can't be a scalper. So the high risk strategies have to go out the window. Now I then do tend to trade. My natural style is quite aggressive, so there's that. So I have to curb my trading style to trade this, Dan. But I think it's definitely achievable, more than achievable. I think it's really good potential. Alibaba moving, breaking highs. It's not an easy market. It's not that it's a tricky market to trade. I think it's just there's limited selection to trade, and the ones that are moving, not a lot of choice. So if you're not comfortable with what's available, just sit on your hands. Just don't take. You have to have be disciplined enough to know when not to trade. And I think today might be one of those days. No, I'm just a regular user there, Dan. I'm talking with them as an affiliate with them. I don't know if ambassador or affiliate, whatever you want to call it. But I'm using it as okay. I stopped at a small loss. On with that. Trading platform's not so bad, Dan. It's not Dash Trader. It's not as intuitive as Dash Trader, but it's okay. There's a couple of bugs on it, but other than that, I think it's all right. I don't mind it. I think that there's some features that I do like that I actually prefer. As you'll get with every platform, there's going to have some strengths and weaknesses, but yeah, I think it's okay. Buggy. Bouncing fairly nicely on the 9. No worries, Mike. That's a good day, good trading day. 800 bucks. It's on that, so that might not count. I'm not sure. I'll have a quick look. Yes, it does. It does have, you can do a 10-second chart on it, Stone Cold, yes. It's not loading the data though. Press that. No available data for 10-second chart. There you go. So it will be if I hold it, if you keep it going, because it's obviously not stored the data, but yeah, you can get 10 seconds on it. Yeah. Moving up. Don't try and bend finger. I lost my connection. Am I still live? I feel like I've lost my. I did at first, Dan. I did at first, but now I don't. So what I tend to hold my trades a little bit longer. I think it's when you get something moving to maximize the profit on it. I'm used to adding instead of just taking let it ride and take the profit. So I think that's the only difference for me. So getting something to break out and then adding, rather than I'm not able to. Well, I can do that, but then you've got to wait another 60 seconds. Yeah, that's probably the only time. What's going on? I lost my connectivity. I lost my connection. Yeah, Nvidia's not having a good morning. But then again, the market's not having a good morning either, Peter. I'm mad. I lost my connection, so that's not good. Yeah, the 10-second chart's it's a little bit flaky. What's going on with my fencing? Let's give it another reload. Oh. Come on, Benzinger. Why are you not playing? Ah. Having a bit of a nightmare. Oh, put on silly with my platform. Well, I think I'll take the opportunity to wrap it up for the day then. In that 1 minute time frame and basically hooked everything up. So that's 10-second time frames, but basically things were broken. Try again. There we go. Yeah. Don't use the 10-second time frame. It kind of breaks everything. Ah, that's annoying me there. Nice. Working properly. That's not a good thing. That's probably the batteries. We'll have to change the batteries. Keep moving up. Don't like Virgin Galactic hitting too many times with it. 5-cent spreads though. Ah. Anybody see anything else? Moving Nvidia's curling up now. Never did get 50 likes. That's a hard bounce at 24.30. Very hard bounce. Rival brands moving up. Have a look at Virgin Galactic. A catalyst on this monster. Anything. Had catalyst yesterday, but nothing today. I don't know why it's the catalyst yesterday didn't do anything yesterday. Actually sold off pre-market. Well, at the open. Alright. We're not too far off in terms of daily goal. 500 is the daily goal. 490. It goes to show this. Provided you're patient and you don't YOLO into trade smaller, you can actually this challenge is looking doable. With LIC. LIC. LICY rather. Volume. Up nicely, but no volume. Yeah, no worries, Peter. I'm probably going to follow you there as well. I'll just go back to minimum. It's the only thing I've traded today. Oh no, I traded NVNO as well, didn't I? Oh, that. break of the $0.50 could be interesting. I'm not seeing anything really getting me excited. Change my stock value to 10 cents instead of 20. Give it a little bit of a try then. Bit of an old college try. Yeah, I think I'm going to knock it on the head. Head into the weekend. Look at this one. No, I like it. Spreads. 20-cent spreads. Yeah, I think we'll call it a day there, guys. So I guess enjoy the weekend. Take it easy, and I'll see you all on Monday. So I'll have the charts back up on. I'll have the scanners back up on Monday from 7. Give me live here at 8. So I'll see you all Monday. Enjoy the weekend, guys.
Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves his groove. Trading with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band.